G'day all, welcome back to Built by Chris. This is just a very quick video on how I made this push stick. I'm right in the middle of making a liquor cabinet for my sister, and I needed the push stick so I could put some edge banding through, because I'm making it out of plywood again, and I needed some edge banding. I didn't want to get too close to the blade, and the best way to do it is using a push stick. Now, I've seen this push stick made on various other YouTube channels, so it's certainly not my idea, but it looks like the best way to make one. And it works like a charm, let me tell you. So if you want to see how I made it, just follow me and I'll show you how easy it was. Okay, I've got a piece of scrap plywood here, and I've got my handsaw, and I'm just tracing around the handle to give myself something to cut to, and just marking out all the rest of the lines, because the next step I'll be at the bandsaw and I'll be cutting it all out. At the bandsaw now, and I'm just cutting out along those lines, making these jigs or these push sticks. It's always good to use up whatever scrap you've got left in the workshop. That way you're not having to buy new timber or anything like that. The plywood in this case I have left over from the bed that I made for that little fella, and it's 25mm thick, and I thought it'd be perfect for the job. Here I'm just cutting out a few holes so I can cut out that inside part of the handle with my jigsaw. And here I am just cutting out the inside part of that handle with my jigsaw. And here I'm just putting a round over on the handle, just so it'll be a lot more comfortable to hold. And now to put it to the test, here I'm just cutting the first piece of edge banding off the board, and I'm going to grab the push stick in just a sec, and you'll see that it'll keep my hand well away from the blade. So, job done. And there it is, one simple push stick. Really was easy to make, and it works like an absolute charm, as you can see, or as you've seen. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Either way, you watch the video, it makes me happy. And I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.